Hi everyone. Today we're going to walk you through the process of creating a newsletter in Brevo. If you're new to Brevo, check the description for a link to a free trial. For existing users, just log in and follow the steps with us. Start by navigating to the campaign section in your dashboard. This is where you can manage all your marketing campaigns. Look for the option to create a new campaign, often labeled as Create Campaign. Click on it to begin the setup process. You'll be presented with different types of campaigns to choose from. Select the type that best suits your goals, such as a newsletter, promotional offer, or event invitation. Enter a descriptive name for your campaign. This name will help you easily identify it later on. After naming your campaign, you'll see that Campaign Settings page. This is where you will configure important details for your campaign. Click on Designing. Now, choose a template to design your newsletter. Here, you can add text, images, title, and much more to design your newsletter. After this, click on Save to continue. Decide when you want your campaign to be sent out. You can either send it immediately or schedule it for a future date and time. Once you've filled in all the necessary information and settings, click the Save button. This will ensure your campaign is saved and ready for sending. And that's it! You've successfully set up your campaign and are ready to engage with your audience. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.